brace yourselves, because what you're about to witness isn't just a car, it's a resurrection. A revival of raw power, pure aggression, and unapologetic muscle. This is the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona, gasoline-powered, twin-turbocharged, and built to dominate. While the rest of the world quietly shifts toward electric motors and silent rides, Dodge just did something bold. They didn't follow the trend. They tore the rulebook in half, lit it on fire, and left it in a cloud of burnt rubber. The Daytona name isn't just a badge. It's a legacy. It's a warning. And now it's back, louder, meaner, and more rebellious than ever. And hey, before we dive deep into this beast, if you're into high-octane machines, deep car breakdowns, and cinematic storytelling, make sure to subscribe and help us hit our first 1,000 subscribers. Your support fuels everything we create. Let's start with the heart, the reason we're all here. The 2025 Charger Daytona ditches the electric concept hype and goes full savage with a gasoline-powered, twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine. And don't let the downsizing fool you. This isn't about compromise. This engine, nicknamed the Hurricane, is capable of delivering over 550 horsepower in its high-output form. And rumor has it, Dodge is just getting started. Special performance variants could push well beyond 600 horses. Twin turbos spool like a symphony of rage, delivering instant torque, brutal acceleration, and that raw, metallic snarl we all crave. It's a masterpiece of modern engineering that doesn't forget what muscle feels like. This isn't just a performance car, it's a muscle icon evolved. The Daytona's aggressive stance, wide hips, long hood, and fastback design scream confidence. It's unmistakably Charger, yet futuristic in the most badass way possible. Dodge didn't soften the lines or make it aerodynamic for the sake of efficiency. They sculpted it to intimidate, to look fast standing still. Every angle is designed to echo power, from the menacing front grille to the taillight bar that stretches like a red saber across its back. And yes, that hood scoop? Functional. Those vents? This car breathes aggression, literally. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that blends muscle car soul with tech-forward precision. The 2025 Daytona's cabin is designed for the driver: deep, bolstered seats, flat-bottom steering wheel, and a massive digital instrument cluster that can be fully customized to show everything from boost pressure to G-forces. The infotainment system is snappy, modern, and finally, yes finally, worthy of the badge it wears. No more clunky Uconnect interfaces. This is next-level Dodge. Ambient lighting floods the cabin, wrapping you in a cockpit experience that feels both premium and purposeful. Whether you're on a backroad blast or highway cruise, the Daytona wraps you in speed and style. So how does it drive? In one word, ferocious. The new platform is tighter, more responsive, and better balanced than ever before. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, but you can opt for all-wheel drive for that extra grip when launching off the line. It's not just about going fast in a straight line anymore. The Daytona handles. It corners. It grips. But don't worry, it still knows how to misbehave. Turn off the assists, mash the throttle, and this car will drift into your heart with smoky finesse. The exhaust note? Unfiltered. A mechanical growl that reminds you every second that this isn't a simulation. It's a real deal, flesh and blood muscle machine. Let's be clear, this might be one of the last great gasoline-powered muscle cars we ever see. Dodge has made it obvious, electrification is coming, and the Charger will eventually go fully electric. But right now, this car exists in defiance. It's Dodge planting a flag. It's them saying, we remember what driving should feel like. The Daytona isn't just a car, it's a statement, a final roar before the silence. And if you're someone who still believes that cars should rumble, roar, and make your heart race, then this is your machine. The 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona isn't just built for the road, it's built for the soul. A tribute to muscle, performance, and everything that makes driving thrilling. It's not trying to blend in, it was born to stand out. And if this beast made your heart pound even a little, do me one favor. Hit that like button, and more importantly, smash that subscribe button. We're on a journey to reach 1,000 subscribers, and with every one of you, we're shifting gears towards something huge. Thanks for riding with me today. Until next time, stay fast, stay fierce, and keep chasing the roar.